Well, today we're doing a review of the new Typhur Grill Brush Bot. This thing is an electric grill brush. If you're looking for kind of one of those amazing grill brushes that don't have bristles, this review is for you. We're going to show you what it's like to clean up the grill after smoking barbecue, specifically some pulled pork. So stick around. We're going to jump right in. Well, let's talk about some of the details. This is like a 17-inch long handle here. It's got a place to kind of hang. It's super heavy duty, that USB charging where you can charge it. Where is that charger head there? It is right here, little plastic spot that comes out and you plug it in that way. So it's right there. Then it has this cool power button with the lights. So if you just hold it here, we can show you the different settings here. So you literally can light up your grill while you're cleaning. It also just has one button for kind of that mode to clean. This is a stainless steel mesh wrap and it's really easy to put together. It comes as a whole thing. It's magnetic here, so this clips off. You turn this here and this comes out and this slides out. So this is super easy. It's dishwasher safe, so when you're done you can kind of clean this under the sink and then put it in the dishwasher as well. Super straightforward. And then you just put it back here like so. Oh, let's see if I get the right side on here. Wait for it. There we go. And then we just put this back in and clip it here, and then we are ready to go and ready to use. And so again, the light, turn it off, and then it's got this nice little pad to block, but it's really easy to clean. The recommendation is to fill this up with a hot grill, a bowl with ice, and then get a hot grill to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna bring you over to my Kamado Joe, but let me show you. They recommend putting this in for 10 seconds. And while you have this spinning, I'm gonna just kind of show you what it looks like here. This is 90 watts, it's very powerful. All right team, so I've been smoking about 6 pork butts, cooking for a church group on Sunday, and we've got these things off the grill, but man, whenever you smoke pork butt, and it can just kind of leave some residue of that skin and that bark on the grill grates. And my friends, we have plenty to scrape off, and the grill bot also, or the Typhur Grill Brush Bot, comes with a little scraper, so there's no doubt you need to scrape things off first and then get to scrubbing. It comes with this little tool, and we'll just kind of get in here and get the obvious junk off. And this thing works great, man. It's coming right off. You can obviously see all the pork butt that I cooked, really dirty grill grates. So kind of get some of this obvious stuff, and then we'll get the grill brush working after that. All right team, now it's time to use this grill brush. It's got the water in it, and here we go. Oh wow. You can see the steam coming off. I'll bring you in so you can kind of see what I just cleaned right there. Isn't that incredible? And the steam coming off. Hope you're getting it through camera. All right, another round. You see the steam coming off the grill grates. I'm already getting back to that stainless steel look, which I haven't seen on this grill in a long time. I mean, that's really impressive. Dang. All right, friends, this thing performed flawlessly. I was actually a little skeptical going in because I had a lot of pork butt residue on those grill grates, and this little tool made it so easy, and it's got so many different grooves. And then just dipping this in water with ice and then just going, it resurfaced the stainless steel grates that I haven't seen in a long time, and I use this grill so many times a week. So all that to say, man, I'm super impressed with how this performed after smoking pork butts. Like literally stacked this up with 6 pork butts and smoked all day. And so this runs about $99 on Amazon. They're always running deals typically on Amazon and their website, and you to get the best rate. And so I'm not going to kind of time this, tell you what the current rate is, because depending on when you're watching this is when you might get the best deal. So definitely check my description for Grill Month to get the best deal on this Typhur grill brush, electric grill brush bot. And the thing is awesome. Let us know in the comments what you think of this tool, this accessory. How would you use it? Would you use it? Let us know what questions you have so we can answer those for you. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.